This is listener XJ. J is a cat still, but actually, it was raining outside, by the way, so everything's gonna be fine. Just the rain, just relax and think about it. I don't know, just don't worry about it though, but relax and enjoy. Oh, is that a pen and pen? Oh, I can play with it. I hope YN came back. Listener came back. Huh? YN, listener. You came back. How was your, killing thing? Good. I was playing with the pen and pen that you gave me. Wait, is it for me that you want me to play with? Thank you, YN. Listener. Sorry, I keep forgetting. Oh, it's okay? Well, thank you, by the way, but... It looks like you need some rest, listener. Well, maybe you should get some rest. Because you come back from the work job you just had. Well, maybe I can sleep with you if you want to. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Alright, let's get back in. This is comfortable. Oh, you were just so comfortable. Maybe I should stay like this after all. But maybe I was alone without you, listener. Oh, you just felt bad for me? You just missed me? Oh, that's cute, listener. Well, do you ever feel bad that you missed me? Yes? Oh, okay. That's great to hear, by the way. I'm so comfortable. Oh, come on. You like me, purr, right? It's raining outside already. Well, maybe we can just stay here for a while. Right, listener? Oh, you just fell asleep. Okay, good. I'm just gonna stay here with you. What was that? Listener, you're shaking already. It's okay, listener. I'm still here. There's nothing to scare about. It's fine. You're safe here. It's just the rain. Nothing's gonna bad happen to you, listener. You're safe now. You're with me. Okay? Just get some rest. Rest day here.